virtual hug. Here's a hug for everybody. I don't know about y'all, but I think we all need to just give a big
Hugs
old,
and
big
love.
old, big old, big
Hugs and
hug.
love. Love.
Cause
Hugs.
my heart, I don't know about y'all, but my heart is so heavy with what's going on with this lady, Miss Thomas, the 25-year-old that was killed in her truck. Oh my God, y'all, it's, I know everybody's doing a video, or several people's doing a video, some groups and stuff like that. And I'm not in any of the ladies trucking groups. So I wanted to come on myself and give a shout out. I know that Highway Diva, uh, I know their group is doing some stuff, collecting money and stuff like that. Miss Diva Trucker, I know she put out a video and she's watching everything, and going to keep everybody updated when they get new information. So, that's the first thing I wanted to say. I'm not here to give my opinion or say what I think happened or how it happened, because I don't know. I don't know the lady's situation. I don't know. I don't know anything, other than what they've been saying in the news. All I know is my heart is very, very heavy, and I'm feeling some type of way. Even though I didn't know her, I, I just don't know. It's just really, really hard, to deal with and to accept. Of course, we're going to all move on, but her poor family and her mom, and can you imagine what they're going through? And then she just talked to her mother on the 9th, Sunday, September 9th, and then here it is this Saturday, her mother's gonna have to bury her. It's like, what? So I just want to send my condolences to the family and let them know that my prayers are with them, and I pray for peace for them. I really hope and pray that they get the answers that they need. I know there's still an investigation going on, and I really pray that they get the answers that they need, because it's just a senseless death, regardless. Regardless of the reason she was out there, regardless of the reason she was in Mardi Gras, regardless of the reason she was out of her truck, regardless of the reason she took an Uber, or where she went, what she was doing, she doesn't deserve to die. So anyway, y'all, just keep her family in your prayers, and just keep your family in your prayers, because this was senseless, and it's really hard. It's really hard. And ladies, just be sensible. Be careful. Keep your eyes open. Be alert when you get out of the truck. I would say try not to get out of the truck after dark. Sometimes you just can't help it. And if that's the case, be alert. Take something with you. There was one lady that was on one of her videos. She was saying, even if you have to take the tools to your truck, the stuff that, like your hammer or something that you hit your tires with, take it with you. Something is better than being empty-handed. It really, truly is. I can't say to go out there and arm yourself with guns and all that stuff. There's laws that has to be followed when it comes to guns, but by no means do you go out there and not protect yourself and not be aware of your surroundings, and be alert. Just be alert. That's all. Just take care of yourself. Wow, this is really, really, really it's really hard. It really is. It's surprising, and it's really, really hard. By no means is Is it going to stop me from becoming a truck driver? I just know that there's evil out there. They're lurking in all kinds of directions and all kinds of forms and fashions and, you know, all that good stuff. And so it just, you know, make sure you open your eyes. It just brings you to the point where you got to open your eyes and say, hey, I want to do this. I'm going to take care of my family. I'm going to go out here and make this money in this trucking industry, but I'm going to be careful at the same time, you know? I don't want this whole video to be about death or sadness. So I'm going to let that be that. And, you know, hopefully, you know, somebody gets use out of it, and I'm going to, you know, move on. So on that note, I wanted to come and give a shout out to my trucker's keeper. I found his channel a few days ago, and I believe it was this morning that he sent a shout out to me, and that was greatly appreciated. So back at you, you know. Keep it in the white line, sir, and be careful out there. My trucker's keeper. Thank you so very much. What else is there? Oh my goodness! How could I forget? Shout out to all my subscribers. I'm at like 103. That may not sound like it's a lot to some of y'all that's in the thousands, you know, or, you know, got 100K or whatever the case may be, but I'm proud of my 103. I'm proud of my 103, and I thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. So on that note, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and, you know, comment. You know, it doesn't have to just be me speaking. Y'all can talk to me. Come on here and give me some questions. If you got a topic you want me to talk about, why not? As you can see, I'm not in a truck yet, so it's not like I can show you tennis and how to back up a truck and, you know, all that good stuff. Or, you know, I can't even show you the view out here, really, because, you know, DOT, I don't want to get in trouble. I think I did a quick little video on IG, and I probably shouldn't have, and hopefully I don't get in trouble for that one. But, yeah, I don't think I should be probably recording out here at the college, so I won't be doing that. But, you know, if y'all have a topic and something you want me to talk about or give my 2 cents about, I don't mind. If you don't mind, I don't mind. Because as you can see, I don't have a problem talking. You know, once I can think of something to talk about, I don't have a problem talking. But anyway, you guys, y'all just be safe out there. Love each other. And just enjoy life, y'all. Because, you know, it's short. It is so short. Whether it's meant to be or not, you just have no idea. You just don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if you're supposed to be here the next day. So, if God's willing, we are, and we will. I wish y'all all the love, peace, happiness that you can stand. Brown Sugar out.